Hey everyone, and welcome to another new video. Today it's Saturday, April 23rd. The last time I did the turning of the rocks was last Friday, Good Friday. Yesterday we just didn't have time. I worked all day and it was not a very good day. Really like rainy, cloudy, just miserable, like about a high of 45, something like that, windy. Today is beautiful. Right now it's about 67 degrees. They're looking for about a high of 75 to 80. Yes, I'm wearing short sleeves. First time probably this year up here in Wisconsin. Monday it was snowing. Today it's beautiful. Tomorrow it's supposed to be about 60. And then next week is upper 40s to low 50s. So, all right, well, let's get on with the showing you. Now we've completed, this is step 2. And we'll see what some of the rocks look like here. We're going to unscrew the tumbler here. Like I said, it feels so nice. Can't wait for summertime to come around. Oh, that's right, I forgot to get a screwdriver. Well, I got my little handy dandy just pry this open a little bit here. There we go. There. Break the seal open a little bit here. First time doing this. I've been doing pretty good here. All right. So let's just rinse this off right here. So when I bring it into the house, I'm not dragging that in. Hope everyone can see that okay. All right. Let's dump this nice little slurry. Okay. Let's take a look at that as I rinse them off. I got some ceramic media in there. Like I said, this is step 2. Let's rinse this out too. Rinse it out again. So I forgot to mention in the last video, I took this bowl here. It came with a colander. Well, I'm saving the colander for something else, and I just took this plastic bowl and I drilled some holes into it because I didn't need it. It was a cheapy bowl, so I just drilled some holes into it, and that's how I'm straining the stuff out of the rocks here. All right. Let's go into the house, clean these rocks up, and we'll get ready for step 3. All right, we're back. We're going to clean these rocks up a little bit. Make sure there's no step number 2 grit on these rocks. This one is so small. Look at that. It almost looks like a diamond. I think that would be cool to make some jewelry out of it. Add it to a ring or a necklace or something like that. That is so cool. And this one too. It's just amazing what you can turn some of these rocks into. This purple one This looks so cool too. You know, our world has a lot of resources. Sometimes you just gotta take a step back and look around on what we have here and just be so blessed and thankful for being on this earth. I am, and I know other people are too. This like grayish black. Here, I forgot to show you the purple one up close. This blue one, this really turned down in size. If you can see that. I know the camera doesn't do justice. This one is really cool. Got a lot of different kind of markings in it. I'm gonna look so forward to this upcoming summer season when we're out and about. Can look for all different kinds of rocks and then tumble them. And I know you can get some online, all different ones from other different countries and stuff like that. This black one is cool too. It just, wow. This one. You can put them in a fish tank. You can put them in a vase just for decoration. Or I know some people, they make something like furniture and then they put that like in like a little hole or something like that. And then they put that whatever hardener clear stuff is. I know there's a name for it, but right now I don't know. This too, it's got some cool markings on that. This one, it's like got some orange in it and then some clear. It's really cool. This almost looks like an ice cube. Nice. So nice and smooth. I can't wait for the step 3 and then the final product, step 4. This one's cool too. You can almost see through it. It's almost like a brown color. That's really cool. This one's unique. It's cool. Alright, I can stop the water because I filled up the sink. This one's cool. I can't get over how, like, when I first started this, these rocks were so big. And what they've gone down to. This one's cool too. Another one that looks like an ice cube. And the last stone. Very cool. Okay, they're looking kind of dull because they're drying. There's that little one right here. All right, let's prepare the drum. I'm gonna clean that up. I won't bore you with the details. I'll clean that up, and then I'll show you me putting the rocks back into the tumbler and adding the stuff for step number 3. Okay, we're gonna add the rocks to the tumbler. It's all cleaned out. There's that little one. All right, I'm gonna add a little media, different bigger and small. Ceramic media, I think. That looks pretty good. This is my first time doing it, so I'll learn by my mistakes if I'm doing something wrong. All right, this is step number 3, pre-polish. So it's really, really small and thin and looks like baking powder. That's 2, 3, 4, let's see, 5, 6. All right. Let's add a little water. Just bring it up to the top. Okay. Now, we're going to make sure, see the little bubbly action there, air bubbles. I'm going to make sure that this is all clean so we don't have no leaks. I think I got it. This is all nice and clean. So we're going to add that. All right. Put the metal cover on. The washer and the nut, thumb screw, whatever you want to call it. All right, let's roll it around. No leaks. All right, let's go put it on the machine. All right, we got it set, and it's tumbling real nice. All right, like I said, today's in the beginning of the video, today is April 23rd, Saturday. So we'll give this about another week. Step number 3. So we will pull this off next week, Saturday, April 30th, and do the process over again, and then we'll have step number 4 next week. So I appreciate everybody watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's free. Not a lot of things in this world that are free anymore. It helps me out, and I just appreciate. Then that shows that people like what I'm doing. All right, everyone have a good day, good weekend, and we'll see you next week on Rock Tumbling. So this is Stay Outside and Explore. Thanks a lot for watching.